Hello and what is good, YT? Happy holidays. I know it's been a really long time since I've been on, but there's been a lot that's been going on in my life. I hope you guys understand, so I did take a little hiatus, but I am back and it is Christmas time, you guys. It is the holiday season, very festive, very celebratory. And as you can see, Avakin has already dropped their new update. There's a ton of stuff to do. There's costumes, there's places you can visit, there's events, mystery boxes, everything you can think of for the holiday season. Avakin has pretty much brought it in. So with that said, I was going to do a quick tour of my holiday home to show you guys where I stay for Christmas time, where I take my family, and where we just kind of hang out. And this one's a little bit special because recently Avakin has made a contest for Naughty or Nice, a festive contest. And this one I actually decided to enter in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys around and let you see. And I hope you like it. Okay guys, so here we are in my Christmas home. As you can see, I did my absolute best to make it super festive, super cheery, but I didn't want to do too much because doing that I found like I'll walk into other people's houses and there's dance floors, there's lights, there's shining, there's everything, and it's kind of overwhelming. Maybe that's just kind of the person I am, but I prefer, like, for Christmas homes and things, like, I feel like Christmas is a season where you come together as like a family, and yeah, you can have friends and parties, but it's better to just kind of keep it simple, and you can still make it just as extravagant without putting all that stuff in there. Now the inside is a different story. I did kind of go all out on the inside because it's where we're going to be seeing the most of while we're staying here. So I did want to make sure it was like super nice and just calming. Like, I wanted for the theme to be more of a Victorian theme. Christmas meets like Home Alone. And guys, don't come for me in the comments when I say this, but I have not seen Home Alone. I take that back. I've seen Home Alone one time, but I've never watched it again. I know clips and everything from it, but it just never was my kind of Christmas movie. Like, I guess it just didn't give me the Christmas vibes that I personally look for. So yeah, I'm sorry I didn't get into it. And y'all are gonna have to excuse my voice because you can kind of tell it's a little bit hoarse. I've been doing a lot of talking lately, so bear with me, guys. And this is just a quick glance of the kitchen. And this is the upstairs hall. I did my best to kind of make sure that it was a little more plain than the other rooms to kind of draw attention towards those rooms. Because that's what, like I said before, where we're going to be spending the most time, is in our rooms and downstairs. So I wanted to make sure that we were nice and cozy and warm. This is our Avid daughter's room. Room? I don't know. Plural. But anyway, that's the bathroom as well. There's a shower and a bath in case they want to switch things up. This is the guest room. I didn't really go all out with it. I kind of wanted to make it a little bit more plain because I don't know their tastes of whoever would be staying there. So I wanted like a neutral kind of color. This is my room, or our room, sorry. So I did put the most effort into that, I think, along with the bathroom. Honestly, I'd probably say this is my favorite bathroom just because I love the layout of it. It looks super calm and chill. This is probably my favorite room in the house, the study, because it's honestly just really cozy and warm. There's a fire. I got my books. I got my little desk and a gingerbread little Christmas tree, and I just think it's really cute. Okay guys, that is my holiday home. If you enjoyed, please like, share, and subscribe, and happy holidays.